Hihintayin mo pa ba na bumalik ka sa ganung sitwasyon bago ka gumalaw muli at mag-upgrade at lumaban muli? Sino po sa inyo ang mga nanggaling po sa hirap at nakalabas na sa kahirapan? Well, kung hindi ka pa nakakalabas sa kahirapan, pakinggan mo tong episode na ito. Itong mensahe ay para sa iyo.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. In this episode, we are going to talk about the danger of staying at your comfort zone. Okay, alam mo bakit? Because comfort is the enemy of growth. So sa episode natin na ito, pag-uusapan po natin bakit kailangan po na dahabanan ang ganitong way of thinking. So para mas maintindihan nyo, let me explain that there are 5 levels of income. Itong 5 levels of income will understand where you are right now in terms of your financial status. Level 1 is day-to-day, level 2, week-to-week, level 3, month-to-month, level 4, year-to-year, level 5, decade-to-decade. Ulitin ko, day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month, year-to-year, meron ka ng savings ng 1 year. Ito may savings ka na, may emergency fund ka na ng 10 years. So, I would have to ask you right now, nasa ang level ka na ngayon? Pakitype sa comment section. Is it level 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Pakitype na lang po. So as you are typing in the comment section, majority of you probably are saying nasa level 3 kayo or nasa level 2. So now, my question to you is this. Of all the 5 levels, what do you think is the most dangerous level of all? Ano yung pinaka-dangerous level? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? May nagtatype sa inyo 1, hindi po. 2, hindi rin po. 5, hindi po. Dalawa na lang sana. Sana tumama na lang kayo. Ang pinaka-dangerous level is level 3. Yung month-to-month income. Bakit po? Kasi sa level 1 and 2, definitely ang goal mo, nahihirapan ka eh. Financially stressed ka, kapos ka daily and weekly. Ang goal mo is makalabas sa kahirapan. And then once we hit the level 3, ito na yung tinatawag nating sweet spot eh. Comfort zone. Nabibili mo na yung gusto mo, nakakain mo na yung gusto mo, nakaka-afford ka na ng konti. However, nung kumita na tayo dito, nagiging comfortable na tayo. Pero ito yung problema. Wala ka pa sa level 4. Wala ka pang emergency fund. And then once emergency sets in, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So ano po nangyayari? Since nasa level 3 ka, wala kang masyadong ipon. Pag tinamaan ka sa level 3, babalik ka na naman level 2 at babalik ka ng level 1. Relate ba? Kung relate kayo, type relate sa comment section. So, ano ba ang dapat nating goal? Pag nasa level 3 ka, ang goal mo is to go to level 4. Why? Pag tamaan ka, at least babalik ka lang sa level 3. Pag nasa level 4 ka, ang goal mo is to go to level 5. Bakit? Para pag tamaan ka, babaksa ka lang sa level 4. Does it make sense? If it makes sense, type make sense sa comment section. So, kung makikita nyo po talaga, comfort zone is a danger zone. Diba? Parang feeling natin okay tayo, but in reality, we are not okay. So right now, how can we stay uncomfortable? Okay, ito lang challenge ko po sa inyo. Do you want to stay uncomfortable at your financial situation right now? Alam mo, in order for you to do that, I always remind myself how I got started. Yung parang iniisip ko, nung nagumpisa ako, gutom na gutom ako. Gagawin ko talaga ang lahat para kumita ako at makalabas ako. Even though, ito lang, listen to this, right now, at my present situation, kung bakit ako ganung kasigasig na gumagawa ng content araw-araw, walang patid po sa YouTube, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa aking podcast. Bakit po? Kasi yung attitude and mindset ko, kahit na financially, right now, if I would have to gauge myself, nasa level 5 na po ako, nakaipon na po tayo ng substantial. Pero, ang mindset ko pa rin, nasa level 1 po ako. Na parang nag-uumpisa ako from day 1. So, if you are hungry, you will stay driven talaga. That's number 1. Naalala mo pa ba yung point nung during the time nung walang-wala ka? As in, zero ang yung income, hirap na hirap ka. So, ano yung attitude mo? Ano yung drive mo? Ano yung mindset mo? Ano yung galawan mo? Ang tanong ko po sa inyo, hihintayin mo pa ba na bumalik ka sa ganung sitwasyon bago ka gumalaw muli at mag-upgrade at lumaban muli? Hindi na. Agree? That's the reason why I want to challenge you. Kung gusto mo talaga magkaroon ng ganitong mindset, let me encourage you to do this. Kumuha ka ng papel at ballpen. Ito ni mga practical tips na gusto kong ibigay sa inyo. Pero bago ko sa ibigay sa inyo mga practical, itong 3 practical tips that will make you stay hungry and stay driven. Ito lang, may good news po ko sa inyo lahat. Ano yung good news? The good news is I'm going to give a free webinar, yes, to teach people on how to double and 12x your income. However, itong free webinar is only limited to 500 slots lang. 500 slots. So if you are interested to double or 12x your income this year, all you need to do is just go to chinkfree.com, chinkfree.com, and register right now. In order for us to stay hungry and stay driven, number one, shift your perspective. Ask yourself na talagang, if I'm just starting from zero right now, ano ang dapat kong gawin? Kaya nga ang ginagawa ko po ito lang pong ginagawa ko. Kahit na malaki na yung ipon ko, pero ang ginagawa ko, tinatabi ko yan sa isang bank account. Tinitignan ko yung bank account ko na maliit pa yung ipon. Tinatransfer ko from the mother account to another account. So, tinitignan ko, as sinasabi ko, ay, malayo pa. Kailangan mag-work pa ako. Di ba nagigets nyo? So, it's very important for you to shift your perspective. Again, kahit na komportable ng buhay mo ngayon, pero dapat ang galawan natin para ka pa rin nag-uumpisa. Number 2, in order for you to stay driven, second thing, na kailang practical lang kailangan natin gawin, build a safety net. Expect the best, but prepare for the worst. Kaya nga yan ang ginagawa po natin. From level 3 ka na, you go to level 4. 1 year of emergency fund. Why? Just in case na may mangyari, within 12 months, you can recover, you can find another business, find another employment, para hindi ka ma-stress. 12 months na hindi ka mamumblema. From level 4, you go to level 5. Para alam mo, yung panahon ng kasaganahan ay hindi po araw-araw yan. Nag-iimbak ka na. Para sa panahon ng kagipitan, meron kang pupuntahan. And last but not the least, in order for you to stay uncomfortable in your situation so that you can be driven, di ba? Para kang talagang galit pa rin sa hirap. Surround yourself with like-minded people, with risk takers. Birds of the same feather flock together. Surround yourself with people who take calculated risks, who are thriving because of it. Alam mo, yung mindset nila at saka experience nila will inspire you to move forward. That's the reason why, hindi ako nawawala sa mga mentors ko. Like for example, si Francis Kong, si Donald Lim. Yan mga tinatawagan ko. Yan mga BFF ko. Si Boss RDR, di ba? Nag-uusap-usap kami. We exchange ideas. We spur one another. We challenge one another. We want to level up. Kaya my friend, staying comfortable might feel safe for you right now. But you know what? It's really holding you back and robbing you of your potential in the future. Kaya nga, I want to encourage you to stay hungry. Dapat gutom ka. Feeling mo dapat nag-uumpisa ka lang kahit na malaki ka na. I hope in this episode na realize mo the importance of staying uncomfortable in your present situation. Again, I'm not trying to instill fear with you. I'm just trying to instill inspiration in you. Let's break free from our comfort zone and start taking risks. So if you're inspired in this episode, type inspired. Pakitype ng inspired. And don't forget to like, follow, and syempre subscribe. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman.